What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, this is my 2011 F150, and I'll be showing you guys how to take your fog light brackets out. Let's get right into it. Alright, so if you come right here, I'm on the driver's side. If you come to whichever side you're on, there's 3 bolts you have to take out to get this fog light out, or in order to get the fog light out itself. But first we're going to work on the bracket. So right now there's 8mm bolts, 8mm socket, right there, and right up here, and then up here. These are brand new, so that's why they look so new. But also my bulb, I got Axiom bulbs. So what you want to do is just twist. Hold on. They're kind of tricky to get out sometimes. Twist, and then you just want to pull it out. There you go. There's the bulb. And then the order to take this out is if you have to undo this entire screw right here. This is the tensioner screw, and mine are facing down, or like facing just straight. But then once you undo this screw, this whole thing will just pop out, and then you'll be able to take your whole light out. So yeah, there you go. That's how you take your fog lights out of a 2011 F150. And if you need help with anything else, it's just like a normal screw. Like I have a Milwaukee fastback knife, and it undid it perfectly fine. So yeah, and then you just pop this out, and then this thing just holds it into place, and then this screw holds it there. So yeah, that's how you take your fog lights out.